up? It's Joe with OC Detailing, and the ID.Buzz is done. Now, there's a lot of real estate on this car, a lot of pieces of wrap, and it is a crazy hard install. A lot of times you look at cars like this and you think big flat panels, they must be super easy, but that is not always the case. Because when you have a big flat panel like this, you're dealing with a lot of risk of contaminants, a lot of risk of distortion, and handling giant pieces of film isn't exactly easy. But we handled it like a champ and knocked this thing out of the park. I want to show you one of the craziest parts of this car that I bet no other installer on the planet has done the way we did it. If you look at this grill right here, we actually did all this by hand. So Hugo, who sleeps in the attic upstairs and never leaves here, spent, I'm not making this up, this is no exaggeration, 5 hours wrapping this grill. Just this piece right here. He was individually cutting out each one of these, wrapping, tucking them in. And then we really care about stuff staying that way, because it's one thing to do the grill like this, but then if you don't spend the amount of time needed to post-heat and prep and lock down all these edges, they would just lift. And at that point, you might as well just use a pre-cut or a template, because then you're going to end up trimming everything back. But Hugo spent all the time to make sure this would stay down the way it's supposed to. And you literally can't tell there's film on this grill from an inch away, a foot away, but the entire thing's wrapped even inside and out. I was personally in shock when I saw this one, because we have very high expectations here and Hugo always lives up to them, but I did not expect him to do that. It just seemed insane to me, but he did, and I know our customers are going to love it because that's the little details we're known for. Along with that, we wrapped everything else on the car. All these pieces got wrapped, the lights got wrapped, the roof, the massive 13-foot roof got wrapped. And then we did 3M crystalline window tint on all the windows, and we finished everything with a ceramic coating, D-Quartz with C-Quartz Finest Reserve on top. This thing's ready to rock, and it looks amazing. Thanks for watching. I'm Joe with OC Detailing. Please subscribe for more videos. Or no, you will subscribe. Absolutely. I'm just kidding. Thanks.